Hey everyone, welcome to Gadgets 360. Today we'll be unboxing and take our first look at the Asus ROG Phone 6. It's the more affordable version of the ROG Phone 6 Pro, which we've already seen earlier. So if you missed that video, you can check it via the link in the description. So let's get started. The Asus ROG Phone 6 comes in this black box with the ROG logo up front with the ROG Phone 06 text. Upon opening it, we have a Join the Republic card. Next, we have the SIM eject tool that looks kinda unique and the hard case that looks and feels quite premium, especially with this texture on the back. We have the user manual. Let's keep all of these aside and have a look at the phone itself. The ROG Phone 6 has a glass back with the classic ROG patterns. In India, the Asus ROG Phone 6 is available with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage and is priced at Rs 71,999. It comes equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. The camera module protrudes a bit. It is a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera that uses flagship Sony IMX766 sensor, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The display on this one is feature-packed. It is a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution, a 165Hz refresh rate, and is HDR10 Plus certified. On the left side of the phone, we have a USB Type-C port for charging or attaching the optional cooler, and at the bottom, the phone sports another USB Type-C port along with a 3.5mm headphone jack. We have dual front-facing speakers on this one. On the right side, we have the volume buttons as well as the power button. The other accessories in the box includes a USB Type-C power adapter, something we're not used to seeing in flagships nowadays, and a braided Type-C to Type-C charging cable. That's all for today's video. See you guys in the next one. And for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets 360.